Understanding the 4% rule in retirement withdrawals. What if I told you that the difference between a carefree, wealthy retirement and running out of money in your golden years comes down to one simple principle? Sounds dramatic, right? But here's the truth. Most people don't understand the 4% rule, and by the time they figure it out, it's already too late. So, let's change that. Today, we're breaking down the 4% rule, step by step, so you can make smarter financial decisions that ensure you never run out of money in retirement. And trust me, you'll want to stay till the end, because I'll reveal the real secret to making your money last longer than you think. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. What is the 4% rule? First, let's understand what the 4% rule is. In simple terms, it suggests that you can safely withdraw 4% of your retirement savings every year without running out of money for at least 30 years. Sounds pretty good, right? For example, if you've saved $1 million, you could withdraw $40,000 per year. But here's where it gets interesting. The 4% rule isn't foolproof, and relying solely on it could put your retirement plans at risk. Let's dig deeper and see what can go wrong. Step 2. The hidden risks of the 4% rule. Here's the thing. The 4% rule is a guideline, not a guarantee. There are risks you must consider. Market crashes can significantly reduce your savings. Inflation can eat away at your purchasing power, making your $40,000 withdrawal worth less over time. Imagine withdrawing $40,000 from your $1 million when the market crashes 20%. Now your $1 million is only $800,000, and the 4% rule becomes less sustainable. So, is the 4% rule a safe strategy? It depends. But here's the good news. There are ways to protect yourself from these risks. Step 3. How to maximize your retirement withdrawals. How do you make sure the 4% rule works in your favor? First, diversify your investments. Don't rely on one single asset class. A balanced portfolio with stocks, bonds, real estate, and possibly even alternative investments will spread out your risk. But that's not all. You need to be agile. Adjust your withdrawals based on market conditions. In a strong market, you can afford to withdraw more. In a weak market, scale back a little. Let me ask you, if you had a chance to tweak your strategy to make sure your money lasts longer, wouldn't you take it? Step 4. The secret strategy no one talks about. Here's the thing most people don't know. The 4% rule can be adjusted to fit your specific needs. Start by saving more than you think you'll need. Then, increase your contributions when you can. By starting early, you can withdraw less while still maintaining your lifestyle. But there's another trick that most financial experts won't share with you. Want to know what it is? Keep watching, because we're about to reveal it. Step 5. The biggest retirement mistake. People make all right. I promised I'd tell you the biggest mistake people make with retirement planning. It's this. They wait too long to start saving. Most people think they can put off saving for retirement until later, but that's a dangerous mindset. The longer you wait, the harder it gets to catch up. The key to maximizing the 4% rule is starting early. And if you haven't, don't panic. It's not too late. You can still make moves to set yourself up for success. So, now that you know how the 4% rule works and how to avoid the biggest pitfalls, what's your next move? Are you already on track with your retirement savings, or do you need to make adjustments? Drop a comment below and let's talk about your strategy. And if you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because your financial freedom starts with the right knowledge. Your future self is counting on you. The second best time to start? Right now.